Welcome to LifeSafer. Let's take a moment to walk through My Account, your personal hub for everything related to your Ignition Interlock. It's designed to make managing your account simple, convenient, and stress-free. When you first log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your starting point. Here, you can see your upcoming appointments and important notifications, access frequently asked questions, and connect with our support team through online chat. Next, open the menu in the top left corner of the screen. From here, you can take care of just about everything. You can schedule, reschedule, or review your appointments, make payments and update your payment method, and view any documents related to your account. You'll also find a section called Resources, which is filled with helpful guides and short walkthroughs. These resources can help with managing appointments, understanding screen messages on your device, using your device, and more. If you ever need extra support, visit the Help section. There, you can reach our customer service team. Every feature in My Account was created to make your experience easy, so you can stay focused on moving forward with confidence.